Excel launched in 1985. That's older than the World Wide Web. And 4 decades later, it's still the first thing people open when they need to make sense of numbers. Budgets, reports, sales pipelines, forecasts, it all ends up in an Excel spreadsheet eventually. But here's what hasn't changed in all that time. The part where you're 20 minutes into scrolling, you still haven't found what you need, and you're starting to question your life choices. That's the part AI is really good at solving today. Not replacing your spreadsheet, just making it answer you back. And in this video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze your Excel data, step by step. The first step is to describe your data to ChatGPT. You don't even have to upload the file, just describe what your data looks like. Then ask ChatGPT what you want to learn, like what metrics should I track to understand churn? ChatGPT can suggest useful metrics, formulas, or ways to organize your sheet before you even start the analysis. But if your data is already inside a converged AI workspace like ClickUp, where your docs, tasks, and AI live together, you can skip the extra setup. Just ask ClickUp Brain, your inbuilt context-aware AI assistant, to organize it. It'll read the table, understand what each column represents, and group the data into meaningful sections automatically. It also suggests the most relevant metrics and summarizes the insights right in the same doc. The next step is to paste tabular data into ChatGPT. Let's say you have a smaller spreadsheet. You can copy a portion of it and paste it directly into ChatGPT. This helps you ask specific questions to ChatGPT. It scans the table and gives you the answer instantly, great for quick checks and small data sets. The third step is to describe the data structure and ask for code. Sometimes, along with answers, you also need the formula behind them. Just describe your columns to ChatGPT, then ask for the calculation you need. ChatGPT generates the exact formula for you. You can then paste it into Excel and apply it across the sheet. Up next is using ChatGPT's code interpreter or plugins. For deeper insights, you can upload the entire spreadsheet to ChatGPT. With its advanced data analysis, it reads the full data set and can even calculate averages, compare periods, and generate charts. The final step is turning those AI suggestions into action. Take the formulas, charts, or insights ChatGPT generated and apply them inside your spreadsheet. This is where analysis turns into real decisions. But if you prefer working inside one connected workspace, that whole loop can happen in ClickUp. Your data, calculations, insights, tasks, and automations all sit in the same place. So instead of exporting results and rebuilding them in another tool, you can analyze the data, add formula fields, and create follow-up tasks right where the information already lives. And that's how you analyze Excel data with ChatGPT without getting lost in complex formulas. Each step helps you turn raw numbers into clear, useful insights faster. Try the steps yourself and see how much faster your spreadsheets start making sense. And if you want to turn that data into action, sign up for free at ClickUp.com.